My first visit was with Dr. Evans. I was looking for quite a lot of dental work to be done. Dr. Evans was very patient, very kind, very considerate. He understood exactly what I needed. And from there, he handed me off to Dr. K. Actually, choosing them was kind of a task in itself. I actually went online, read quite a lot of reviews with a lot of the local dentists in Owings Mills, and they had a 4.5-star review. I actually came in for the consultation, and it was great after that. Looking back on my decision to come to this office was the best decision for me and my family. And this is a great team. I will continue to come to this team as they continue to grow and I continue to need dental procedures, because I know I have a lot more stuff that needs to be done. So this is a team I will continue to visit.